Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select or add your step length to the Pedometer application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should click on the settings icon down below, which is the first option. After that, you should click on the more settings section and tap on step length, which is the second option. As you can see, this information is necessary in order to calculate the distance and the speed. So here you can see this option down below, which will automatically calculate the length of your step based on your height. So tap on it, and as you can see, the automatic calculation is 62 centimeters, but if you want to change it, then you can size it up and down as well by tapping on the plus or minus icon next to the scale. If you want to change or save your step length, click on the save button down below. As you can see, it has been updated and it's been successful, so feel free to change it anytime if you feel like to do so by going back to this same section. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.